Here we have a single moving panel and one stationary panel. And I've already got the stationary panel out and removed to show a couple other issues in this video. To start with, our door alignment. If you look at the bottom of the door and compare to the top of the door, the gap of space that we have between the top and the bottom, we have roughly about a ½ inch of difference from top to bottom. The door alignment is considerably out on this, which will have a direct effect on how the lock works. The customer stated that this lock has not worked for some time, and once we get this door repaired, we will get the lock squared away also and have that working properly. Next issue I'm going to show is the track damage that this has. It's a little difficult to see on a video, but you look very closely here, you can see the very badly wavy pattern in this track. So when you roll this door across that, instead of it rolling smoothly, it's just bouncing all over the place. So I'm going to make an attempt here to roll this door at the same time I'm videoing it, so let's see what happens. Okay. See, you can hear how loud that door is. Now I'll show you at the front side here the damage that we have on the front side of this door. So it's a very wavy pattern, and now when it's like that, the door just wants to bounce instead of roll smoothly. I'll roll it the other direction here, and you'll be able to watch and see the door. You can see it jumping up and down. That's a bad track. This door is in bad shape. And I'm going to get this fixed and rolling better than new when we're done.